friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Joan Hikaru Putri. I am a 7th grade student at SMP Negeri 3 Cilenyi. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. That story name, The Deer Trickery. You are curious, right? So, listen till the end. The Deer's Trickery. In the deep Mantai forest, there lived a young hunter who was having a bad day. His arrow only grazed the thigh of a nimble deer, and the animal vanished into a thick undergrowth. Frustrated and exhausted, the hunter sat down to rest beneath a tall sugar palm tree. Suddenly, a voice startled him. It was the deer, hiding nearby. The deer politely apologized for disturbing the hunter, then slyly told him there's no point in looking for the wanted deer. It was long gone. Then came a twist. The deer teach the hunter how to make a super strong snare using palm tree bark. The hunter finally made a strong trap and set it. The next day, the snare was set. The deer appeared again, not to be caught, but to pose a challenge. The deer challenged the hunter to toss off straight against the trap. The deer was tied up and began thrashing and screaming, repeatedly shouting, "Let me go! I will pay for this!" The hunter believed the deer is fighting hard. Just as the hunter thought he had won, the deer suddenly slipped free. It had escaped the bonds without breaking the snare. Intrigued, the deer returned the following day. This time it comforted the hunter to test the snare on himself first, just to ensure it's straight for catching real prey. The curious young hunter agreed to be tied into a powerful trap. The deer proceeded to tie him up, and it tied him very tightly. "Hey, what are you doing? It's too tight!" As the young hunter struggled, completely immobilized, the deer just stood in there and laughed with delight. "Ha ha ha! Know what, hunter?" the deer announced. "The first prey caught in your snare is yourself." The clever deer bottled and disappeared, leaving the young hunter to struggle mightily until he finally broke free, destroying the ruined snare. The young hunter left the forest that day, empty handed, humiliated, and having learned a harsh lesson. Never trust a wily enemy. That's all for me. Thank you for listening. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you all. Bye.